What's wrong? Huh? What's wrong? What's wrong? You wanna go outside? Are you hungry? Are you thirsty? You wanna go outside? Do you wanna go throw the stick? In the water? You wanna go throw the stick in the water? Yes? No. We have to stay. Can you sit? Very good. You have to stay. The bugs are bad. The bugs will get ya. So you have to stay inside. No throw stick. No go swimming in the water. You have to stay inside and wait. Thrilled.